Hello, my YouTube family. How are you all? Renovation are underway at my cat family's home. Today, I will take you on a visit to my cat's family's home, where there is plenty of nature that cats love. So, let's go without delay. Here we are on our rooftop. Look at my roof. So here is the place at my cat family's home where you can see work is going on. The net is being welded and flowers are being planted to provide a natural and healthy environment for cats. Leo has given me the responsibility to look after all the work and ensure that all the construction is done according to instructions. For this, Leo will pay me heavily. Yeah, Leo will pay me heavily. I will get rich thanks to Leo. The door and grill are being welded to provide a safe environment for my cats. One door has been completed. Look at its length. These are grills, not the grilled chicken type, but steel type. Yeah, I thought I'd share something new with all of you. Just kidding. The grill will be placed in all corners so that the cats cannot escape. If Leo finds a female cat, he starts to make love. It's not just female cats, but female kittens that Leo likes because he is still young and playful guy. Yeah. So Leo. This is the welding machine, and I am explaining it as if I were a civil engineer. This is the house of the cat family's neighbors. Oh wow, look at the clear sky today. There are not clouds at all. Flowers have been taken good care of for the cat's family because they like to eat these innocent leaves. Poor leaves won't survive for long because the cat family only wants to eat them like fish. Take care and goodbye, baby leaves. This work is being done only for the cat family with a lot of hard work. But my cat family is so selfish. They want tuna and sleep. I have no value in their eyes. They only value expensive food and they like to finish my cash. Oh, no, no, no. No, no, not at all. My cats love me a lot. They can't live without me. Oh my Leo, Tiger, Husby, Silly, Susie, Mongi, Bhura, Saimi and other kids. You guys have made me emotional. Oh, want to cry. I want to cry. Building has started again. Congratulations! Yeah, hooray! Yeah, welding has started. Work is started again. This is what the balcony of the cat family looks like. Here they will dry their clothes. Yeah, yeah, they'll do it. This is the gate. Look, it opens and closes. It's the eighth wonder of the world. Just kidding, bro. This is the lock so that Leo can lock the gate after coming from the office for his and his family's safety and security. Yes, yes, yes. Leo works in a multinational organization. You have to believe that Leo is a koala. These grills have been made with very small holes by Leo so that no mischievous wayward or criminal cats can attack. Leo uses 100% of his brain. Yeah, wow. This is a relaxation point for the cat family so that on weekends after dinners they can have a family gathering. There are all Leo ideas. Leo is so family oriented. I should learn something from Leo because Leo is very brilliant, very intelligent guy. Before the renovation, this area had no security or safety for Leo's family. But after the renovation, there is foolproof security for Leo's family. Leo spent a lot of money. Yeah, he spent a lot of money on the whole work for his safety and security and comfort for his family. When half work was completed, this became a relaxation spot for Leo. Leo wants every facility for his family and he can afford it because he has a handsome income. Yeah, he has a handsome income every month and also he has a lot of money from inheritance. So he is a very rich man, very rich personality. There is a saying that the sky has no limit. Yeah, and my cat family takes it very seriously. They have made their sitting place here to view the limitless skies. The cat family can sit on the sofa and enjoy the view of the sky along with fresh flowers and leaves. And this work is about to be finalized. Then Leo will shift his belongings and family here. Leo has hired a big labor force for the renovation. He spent a huge amount of money just only make his family happy and satisfied.